Thank you.
Thank you, Ruth.
Did I miss Dan Levy?
Huh?
Did I miss Dan Levy?
I don't know. We're waiting
The
for
main
him.
character?
We're waiting. We're waiting.
Okay, cool. As long as I didn't miss. There he is.
Did you make it to Alex?
Dan, congratulations on your directorial debut.
Thank you very much.
How did it feel? Do you feel more coming down the pipeline?
I hope so.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Joe.
Joe?
Well, you're an amazing talent. I just want to thank you for all the wonderful, just joy you bring to.
Thank you for the kind words. I
Yeah,
appreciate that.
you bring a lot of joy.
Got your picture, Dan?
Yep. My husband wants to.
I have
What's
a-
your name?
Sarah.
Do you have a favorite film of your father's? I love Waiting for Guffman. Do you have a favorite?
I love Waiting for Guffman as well.
Yeah, do you think that's your favorite one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, that's amazing. You got great taste.
Dan, can my husband get one too, please? My husband get one too.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
What a great guy. Nice. Well, that was worth it, guys. Huh? That's the main character. That's the one that's the only real famous one that I know. The CEO, see, I figured out why there's so much security. It's the CEO of Netflix is here. That's why it's such, I was like, why is it for just a, because he's the only star.
Which one was that?
Dan Levy from Schitt's Creek, the show Schitt's Creek. He's one of the stars. He directed and wrote this movie. It's his directorial debut. So, but it made sense once the CEO of Netflix emerged. I said, okay, that's why there's so much.
Which car was he in?
He was here about 30 minutes ago. He came in an SUV. Yeah. Unassuming guy. It looks like Ted Cruz. He does. And his name's Ted. He looks like Ted Cruz.
Try calling him and see what he does.
Yeah, right? Tried asking for a job. Get me off these streets, bud. All right, now I gotta find this hot chocolate. I don't know where we're gonna find this hot chocolate, Lady Boss.
Our life. Our Hollywood life.
Yes, I'm gonna post the Dan Levy video. Oh, it's all good, Lady Boss. Thank you. I'm sorry if I missed it. Sorry about missing it. This film is called Good Grief, guys. Good Grief.
Joe!
There he is.
Oh my God.
Eugene Levy. Eugene Levy. Oh my God. Martin Short? Martin Short!
Oh my
Oh
God.
my God! It's Martin Short! It's Martin Short, guys! Oh my God!
Oh my God.
Wow! Oh my God! Wow!
He's dead. Oh my God.
Okay,
Oh my God. It's an honor meeting you. Oh my God. Why is he doing
You're one of the most funniest,
Lifelong fan.
the funniest in Hollywood history, Mr. Short. Thank you for all the smiles.
Mr. Short, thank you. Can I get a photo with you, Mr. Short?
Everything from Ed Grimley to Jiminy Glick. Jiminy Glick is so genius.
thank you.
The greatest. You're the greatest.
Thank you.
Martin Short, absolute legend.
No, it didn't come out. It didn't come out. Sorry.
You don't age.
I love your father as well.
Love you, man. Love you. Martin Short, guys. Where did Eugene Levy he snuck?
Oh my God.
That's all right. Martin Short came out, guys.
Eugene.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. That was amazing, Shotty. There we go. He doesn't age, guys. What a surprise. Oh, it's that guy.
Oh my God. I'm like on cloud nine right now.
That's amazing, man. Martin Short's one of the funniest in history.
Father the Bride.
I think
Oh my
he's-
God.
I would say top 10 most funny Hollywood guys
An
ever.
honorable mention for you here. You added him to this year. Dude, that's not small.
Shotty's short-circuiting. You're short-circuiting.
I can't talk, you guys. I'm just.
Okay.
I didn't think that Martin Short's gonna be here.
I know. That's amazing. What a treat.
Short out of all people, and I didn't.
And you know what I heard, people? He's not nice for his fans. He's not.
But he's nice. This is the third time I've seen him.
This
He's
is my
nice.
second time seeing him.
Yeah, I know.
The first time he saw him, his foot was off.
Oh, really? Oh, he's in a good mood. That's hey.
Get a picture of it?
Redemption.
Oh my God.
Sorry, I'm trying to
That's why you got to give people the benefit of the doubt.
I'm sorry.
You're all good. You're all good, Shadi. This is huge.
I'm sorry.
Still like the VIPs going into that event that we just had a run off.
That was Martin Short. Three Amigos. Ed Grimley. I love him as Jiminy Glick. Probably the most genius thing he ever did was Jiminy Glick, in my personal opinion. You guys, we got Dustin Hoffman last night, Martin Short tonight. They kind of look alike, and they're both kind of short. They looked alike. No, I got Dustin Hoffman at the Laker game. Dustin Hoffman and Martin Short were both very short, and they're both very nice. They weren't short with us. They were both really cool. I love seeing Dusty last night. I'm going to post Dan Levy and Martin Short, probably together. I might post them both together back to back. We got Eugene. Yeah, I'll probably just, I think I'm just going to make this one post. One post. We don't need a separate post for...
Sorry, I'm like.
Just put the right at that cone. You're going down the street.
Well, I'm not going to move anywhere. I'm going to go by the Scientol. I'll check out Scientol, see what's going on over there. Charge my phone, and I'd like to get their exits. Yes. I think I'm going to stick around here for the exits. I'm not moving out of this area tonight. We will be sticking around for the exits of this and seeing what happens at Scientol. We got all kinds of content over here. We have Martin Short, Eugene Levy, Dan Levy, the CEO of Netflix, and Scientol. We got Angel, Sebastian, Now, I already saw Sebastian. I tried to say hi to him. Yeah, Dan and I had a whole full-on convo, guys. We talked to Dan Levy. Full-on convo. Angel's not there today? It's the new security guard. Okay. Yeah, they had to switch up Angel's post. I think Pinky's going to be all right, guys. I hope so. Pray for Pinky, guys. Pray for Pinky. We got to pray for Pinky. Make sure Pinky's all right, guys. Pinky was a good luck. Pinky was a good luck charm before the game. After the game, not so much. The exits were a little weird yesterday. Do you guys agree? Yesterday, the exits at the Laker game were a little strange. It was like a little intense. You had Flea over there, was cussing at people and stuff. I was like... And then we had Blake Griffin. He was just kind of... You know, he's upset about Kendall Jenner and Bad Bunny breaking up. No, you don't agree? My hair is very long. It's just shaggy. It's not long. It's just shaggy. Thanks, guys. I like this hat. It's mariachis. Guadalajara mariachis. I just love mariachi bands. So Pinky is our mascot at Laker games. He is a pen. He is a pen that I bought in Solvang, California about a month ago. He has it's more of an it. It has wild, crazy hair, kind of like tentacles, rubber tentacles. And it's our mascot that lives in the Homer Simpson International Woods next to the Joy of Everything Plaza at the Laker game. Every time I'm not filming, these guys staring right at me. They love to stare right at me because I'm the big security risk here. And then as soon as I turn the camera on them, they look the other way. They're very hyper-focused on me. Yeah. What happened? Because of Martin Short? Yeah, isn't that amazing? Martin Short's amazing. I'm going to Scientology. Guys, if you want to donate to the channel, you can. My link tree has my Venmo and Cash App and stuff, but I also have an Amazon wish list, and I don't know what's on there right now, but yeah, I mean, there's ways you could donate to the cause here, and I appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. Zelle is the one that I do not have. I got the other big three: PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo. Zelle. There's Zelle. I used to eat Zelle roast beef sandwiches back in Hammond, Indiana. That's all I know about Zelle. I do not have Zelle. Is Martin Short a Scientologist? Whoa. I don't think so, guys. Now I wonder, this might be the end of this. Well, we had like a little unexpected excitement with Eugene Levy. So maybe we'll walk over to Scientology right now. Let's go. Oh, Let's go check out Scientol. Let's go check out Scientol. Thank you, Dopeless Hope Fiend. I love the Bone Thugs experience. What's going on from Chicago? That's right, Hammond, Indiana, the 219. I'm not doing Craig's tonight, guys. I want to stick around here for this. I don't think Craig's. I mean, geez, guys. Right now is the time to go to Craig's. I don't know. Jeez, guys, what do you think? It's less driving for me if I stick around here, because then I got both Scientol and I got the premiere. We could bounce back and forth, and I don't have to move. I don't have to drive. I don't know. What do you guys think? I don't know. Craig's.
But strangely, police found nothing was missing from the house itself. This wasn't an ordinary case of home burglary.
But I might have to take a little break actually right now to use the restroom and just recalibrate. There's nothing going on at Scientol, guys. There's not much going on at Scientol. It's just Chris and Jessica, guys. I don't know. I think I'm good on Scientol. I got to use the restroom. It's raining really hard right now. So we're going to let this rain let up, and we're going to take a break. It is still early. I'm considering all options, guys. I'm even considering Craig's. But let's just regroup. I'd rather stick around here so I don't have to drive to West Hollywood, which is about a 20-minute drive. But I do need to use the restroom and maybe get something to drink and just recalibrate.
America's best car lot.
Yeah, I'm going to stay here and we'll catch the exits. Maybe they'll be in a mood to talk about the movie afterwards. Let's get the exits. You got Martin Short, Eugene Levy, and Dan Levy. You're not going to have better names than that at Craig's tonight. You probably won't. So I'll be back, guys. Thank you guys for joining me. I'm going to take a short break. We'll be back as soon as possible, guys. Thank you, guys.